Would you like to get found more easily on LinkedIn without spending a penny? Of course you would, and I can help you do just that. Hey, I'm Sarah Clay, and I'm a LinkedIn trainer, and I don't use big, long words. I talk very, very straight, and I keep it simple. So I can help you optimize your LinkedIn profile to help you get found much more easily on LinkedIn. And not only on LinkedIn, because did you know that LinkedIn is indexed to Google? So everything you write in your profile has the potential to be found on a Google search as well as on a search in LinkedIn. Win-win, hey, that's a double whammy. So what am I talking about specifically today? Today, I'm talking about keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are very simply the words that people use when they're searching for your goods or your services. So, for example, if you were a Master Cashfelt spreader, why I thought of that example, I don't know. Words like Master Cashfelt, road works, building works, all of those words would be keywords. For me, it's words like LinkedIn trainer, online coaching, social media, marketing. Those are the keywords that I would use. So if you use keywords in your about section, particularly on LinkedIn, you have the chance of being found on LinkedIn for those keywords. And as I've said, you won't necessarily only get found on LinkedIn, you could get found on Google when people search for those keywords in Google. So how are you going to use these keywords in your about section on LinkedIn? Do you want to just list them or do you write them in a sentence? You could do either, to be honest. But if you just list your keywords like that, somebody who comes across those keywords will see the list and they might think, so what? What's the point of that? There's no, this person can do all of these things. Great. Because people are very fast, they're moving very, very fast on LinkedIn and they need to be given the information very, very clearly. But if you used a certain keyword in a sentence, I am a LinkedIn trainer, for example, somebody searches LinkedIn trainer, they come across my about section, they see that sentence, I am a LinkedIn trainer. That's what I want. I want one of those. So they're going to read more. They're going to have a deeper look at my profile. They're going to look at my about section. And who knows, hopefully, if they like what they see, they'll connect with me and potentially that's a customer for me. Great. So you too can employ this strategy when you're writing your about section. But I'm not saying it's easy. It's not necessarily an easy thing to do. So this is where I come in. So I am very, very happy to take a look at your profile for free and see if I can identify the keywords that you should be using and how you can incorporate those keywords into your about section. Really? Yes, really. So get in touch. So DM me on LinkedIn. I'm Sarah Clay. I'm very easy to find. Or you can email me, sarah@sarahclaysocial.com, and I will jump on a call with you. I'll give you a free audit of your profile and let's see how I can help you get more found on LinkedIn and potentially on Google. I look forward to hearing from you really, really soon. See ya.